Hey everybody, today's video was highly requested. Several of you wanted to know my thoughts on the new collection from the main choice, which is the hair tight 4-leaf clover available at Sally Beauty Supply. This particular collection helps to eliminate dryness and minimize breakage that can be associated with highly textured hair. I've worn my hair straight for the past couple of weeks, so I definitely need some moisture, so I'm excited to give these products a try. I'll start by cleansing my hair with the Hair Tight 4-Leaf Clover shampoo. My hair is highly saturated with water, so I'm just going to take a generous amount and massage that into my roots, making sure that I'm removing all product buildup. After rinsing out the shampoo, I'm going to use the mask treatment. This is a nice, thick, creamy consistency, which is what I really like about mask treatments. I'm just going to apply a generous amount starting at the ends and working my way up to the roots, making sure that my hair is thoroughly covered. So far, I have to say that this is one of my favorite products from this collection. My hair just feels so soft and easy to detangle once I'm applying the product. Installing flat twist for my deep conditioning treatment just makes the process a lot easier. After all of my flat twists have been installed, I'm just going to cover my hair with my conditioning cap and sit under the dryer for 15 minutes. After rinsing that out, it's time to style using the moisturizing styling cream. It has a nice creamy thick consistency, which I really like. Check out the texture of my hair. My hair feels so soft and moisturized. So it was really tight. I asked you guys to vote for which style you wanted to see, and flat twist out won. That's one of my signature looks, so I really like doing those whenever I'm trying new products. I've just applied a generous amount, making sure that my hair is completely coated with the product, and then use my Demon brush to further detangle and install a medium-sized flat twist. And if you'd like to see a video on how to flat twist, I'll leave that video link in the description box below. I've received lots of feedback on how helpful that's been, so make sure you check that out as well. Once all of my flat twists have been installed, I'm just going to let them set overnight and sleep in my satin bonnet and take them down the next morning. You definitely want to make sure that your flat twists are fully dry in order for you to achieve a successful flat twist out. You can already see that my hair is nice and shiny and moisturized, and the definition is amazing. I'm definitely loving my results so far. I'm just going to carefully continue to remove each flat twist, and I love flat twists because I don't have to do a whole lot of separation. Just the takedown process alone helps to separate each twist. And be sure to follow at the main choice on all social media sites so that you can see additional styling inspiration using the Hair Tight 4-Leaf Clover collection. I'm able to achieve maximum definition when I twist on wet hair. If I wanted to go for a looser wave, then I could do like a light blowout prior to installing my twist. And after carefully removing each twist, here are my results. My hair feels nice, soft, and moisturized. I would definitely recommend you give these products a try. But you guys know me, I like my big hair, so I'm just going to take my pick and fluff at the roots, bringing my hair forward just to give it more of a bang and layered effect. I hope you enjoyed this video. What do you think about this look? Have you given the products a try? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, thank you all so much for watching. Love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!